Hey guys, Ballad here. Hello, I'm Baymax. Today, we will be reviewing yet another custom Zord. The reason why I'm reviewing a custom Zord again is because, well, I recently received or bought, shall I say, a bundle, a Power Rangers bundle that came with Dragon Mechazord, Tiger Mechazord, Phoenix Mechazord, Super Mega Sub, and is that it? I'm part of the Snake Mechazord. So it was like a Mega Force bundle. Anyway, I used the Phoenix Zord because I don't have the other Mega Force Zords to make the Seagull Mechazord, or the Seagull Zord. I'm just going to call it the Seagull Zord because why not? And here it is. Yeah, it's just a repaint. I just covered the silver bit, the gold bits with silver, and the pink with silver. The beak is the same. Yeah, it's basically just a little repaint. Like with the other Mechazords, the head can come off. So that's a thing. Hold on. There we are. Now, the instruction booklet of the Megaforce Megazord, goes to Great Megazord, will have you believe that the wings go like that. Makes sense, right? But Megaforce, the wings are folded down more like that. Like this. More like that. It combines the same as the, the Phoenix Zord. Wings down, boom, arm. But it's, yeah, it's alright. Anyway, I've been Batlad, and I have been Baymax. And today, and tomorrow, we'll see you, well, next video, it'll probably be another customs or review or something, or review of the bundle, maybe? Who knows? Although I'm leaning towards making a video on some Power Rangers RPM things. You'll see why I call them things instead of Zords or action figures or... Anyway, see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. And Batlad out.